Welcome back to more boat adventures on my friend Sage Jeffrey's catamaran.
Oh my god!
On this trip, I've been exploring Fraser Island with the most epic crew members. We've got Captain Sage, Elisha, Keith, Pesche, and yours truly. And today, I'm gonna show you a day in boat life. We are currently the only boats out here actually. Everybody left yesterday because there was pretty strong wind and we decided to stay. So last night we had this whole place completely to ourselves, just open water. There was bioluminescent plankton all around the water and it was the most beautiful, gorgeous, one of the most memorable times of my life, just swimming in blackness and glow in the dark water. And the moon was so bright and the stars were out and there was just no one here. It was unbelievable. It's just a crazy thought, like so many people in the world, and to have a space where there's no one else here, completely to ourselves. It was just, I think I'm understanding sailing life. I thought I'd just show you guys where we've been sleeping because it's kind of a brutal wake up. It gets very hot in the morning because we sleep outside on the hammocks. So the first thing that we do in the mornings is jump straight into the water because it's quite a brutal wake up to sleep outside, and it's the best way to wake up.
This is how we do the dishes. Just washing it in the ocean. No soap, just your hands.
The boys on the production line. I don't think this one was washed too well. Look, there's still a little bit of peanut butter left over.
Gross.
Yum.
Alright, now it's
Salty peanut butter.
Oh wow.
Gotta get that pancake mix up.
It is day 3 on the boat, and so far I haven't really gotten seasick. Actually, last night I took off my sea bands here and was actually in another boat underneath, and I didn't get sick somehow, and I also didn't get sick sleeping. So that's good news. This seems to be working. I've had a few ginger bears though today, and I actually am getting a little sick right now because it's a bit rocky, but yeah, these things seem to do the trick, and it seems that if the longer you stay on the boat, then the easier it gets. At least that's what I'm going to tell myself. Since we were the only boat on this part of the island, we got to spend our days cherishing being away from everyone and everything and just having a blast.
Look at that water. Mint green.
So much fun. So good. What have you got there, dude? Dinner!
Dinner, my first catch.
Yeah! Sick, that looks beautiful.
What is it?
I wouldn't be able to tell you, bro. Is that how you shot it?
Yeah.
Wow, what a shot.
Yeah. Isn't that crazy?
Double entry.
Holy moly.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is happening. This is happening right now. Do I really want to be taking this?
Clearly the answer is yes.
Let's get nice, close and personal.
Well, this is probably people who actually know what they're doing would probably see this as very offensive.
Oh, what are you doing?
I'm feeling it quite offensive.
Yeah. Well,
but you don't know what you're doing,
I don't
so
No, you're doing good.
but you're gonna rip the head off,
you did well, Pesh. That was fair. That was good.
and we're all here like,
The local sharks.
Yeah,
They'll
no,
be
wow.
happy for that.
Wow.
what the?
Thanks, buddy. Yeah, that's a good piece of meat in there, I reckon. Thanks, little guy, for being my first. Sorry if it wasn't quick or painless. It's I appreciate you. Thank you. Thank you, Pesche. I appreciate you too. I don't know, I'm just trying to break the tension here. Just feeling all pretty morbid. It's funny, but it's
It's live. Hey,
But it's also it's
this is
also
live.
This is what living as a human, 1,000 years ago was like. We all killed and caught our own meals, and if you wanted to eat meat, this is what you had to do.
Yeah.
So treat it as a ritual.
Now we rely on mass manufacturing in the most unethical way.
Exactly. That's why I support this.
So, I mean, simply by doing that, Pesh, it's like you're activating that DNA of remembrance of your ancestral primal, back through hundreds of years.
Is it still? Whoa, I feel like I can feel its heartbeat. Is that just in my brain?
Yeah, there we go. It
Was that you?
was the nerves.
Oh my gosh, it was the fish. It wasn't you.
That was her, but then afterwards it did a little tremor.
So beautiful. With this whole island to ourselves. There's Poppy crawling on the rocks. Let's go see what she's up to.
I just feel like this is the way you take the bath.
One of my highlights has been sharing this experience with all of the crew members. It's been the first time I've had this many people stay on board for an extended period of time, and I've loved it. I think it definitely requires the right group of people coming on board to make this space work and function, and it's been absolutely perfect to meet Poppy for the first time and to show her what life on the ocean is like.
So when we went to the beach and we were going in those caves, there was very primal animals crawling in these caves.
Wow.
So cool. No! Take a little photo.
Where are we going? Oh.
Oh my gosh.
Wow.
Wow.
How cool is this? Hey? This is amazing.
Oh my gosh. Who made these?
The ocean.
Yeah?
Yeah. Throughout just erosion over time, the waves lapping up against the shore just started to dig away at the side of the mountain.
Wow, that's just really incredible.
Yeah.
Oh, can we do an Omen circle in here?
Yeah.
I'm so heavy, just like a stone, and I don't wanna pull you through the undertow. I wouldn't blame you if you didn't go swimming in a river that you didn't know.
Okay, that. Wrong hole. That's stuck in this hole. What's happening in this one? Take him into the cave. Alright, patrons only. Yeah, and then the acro yoga, watching you and Pash do the acro yoga was like just such a beautiful thing to see that between two men. I don't know, it was like in the sunset in the water. Is this the fish that you caught, Pesh?
Uh-huh.
Are you cooking it?
Mm-hmm. With my butter. Never too far from it. Butter, garlic, and freshly caught fish.
Yeah, how's it
Straight off the
tasting?
spear. Well, I haven't tasted the fish yet,
Okay.
but the butter tastes great.
Oh, you're eating just sticks
I'm
of
just
butter?
eating a stick of butter.
Okay.
Oh my heaven above.
Full circle.
Lord Jesus Christ, Mother Mary Magdalene.
Oh, it smells so good. That smells so
fucking good.
Yeah, that does sound really good.
Wow, well
I'm confused. I'm vegan.
You gotta have a little bit though, won't you?
I don't know.
It's special fish.
Come on, girl, you were there for
It's
the
a
whole
vegetarian
process.
Am I gonna like
It's
puke
fish
it up
caught
though?
with intention.
I don't even like fish.
This is the first time you're gonna eat meat in a year.
Yeah.
That's an interesting. That's a powerful.
But I
way to
don't like
eat.
fish. That's also interesting.
Oh, that is.
I don't
also
like the
interesting.
taste. It's weird. I don't feel like it smells tasty. I just feel a bit primal. Like I just want to like, I don't know. Like I saw him bring the spear up with the fish, and, and then I saw him like with the knife looking it dead in the eye. Like, oh, I gotta end its life. But he was there full circle until you were massacring it here. Like I don't know, but I
It's
don't.
got to be eaten.
Yeah, but like, yeah, I don't know.
A really good suggestion that I would give would be eat it when it's caught by a friend.
There
And
you go.
don't eat it when it's bought.
Just had a
I'm
little
about to plate
taste
it
of
up.
it. And it just like completely melted in my mouth. Feels so good to be able to eat meat freshly caught from someone I love. With all the love in the food as well. It's just like, oh.
This is history in the making. Which one do I choose?
Same fish.
Cheers.
It is nice. Oh. Wow, I want some more of that.
It tastes different when it's from right over the side of the boat.
Weird. And I've never liked fish.
Wow. Wow.
Holy crap. Whoa, dude. Wait a minute.
Going spearing tomorrow.
Is that all the, that's it from that tiny little fish?
Yeah.
It's just a blessing to live this life and to be able to share it with like-minded, beautiful people. So that's been a highlight for me.